Hey guys, it's Kelvin here. So I'm the happiest person in this world right now. Wow. So I was actually gifted this bass by one of my uncle in the US. Right. I'm just so happy. I don't know. I actually don't know how to express the joy. I'm so happy, man. Look at, he won't actually want me to mention his name, right? He wants me to keep it discreet, but I'm so grateful, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. Thank you for supporting the ministry to move to the next level. I don't take this for granted, and I will never take it for granted. I'm so happy. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much, sir. I know you'll be watching this video. Yeah, so guys, I'll be dropping a sound check. I'll be sound checking the bass very soon. All right, so I'll drop a video on it for you guys to see how it sounds. But this is crazy. This is a high-end bass guitar. Look at this. Bartolini pickups and the preamps. Crazy bass guitar, man. Crazy. So you can type me congratulations in the comment section.